In this video, I want to show you how to legally pay zero or no taxes on your side hustle income. Now, I know what you might be thinking. The idea of paying little to no taxes on your side business income might seem too good to be true, but stick with me. We're going to explore some completely legal and smart strategies to minimize your tax burden, which can make a huge difference in how much you keep from your hard-earned side hustle income. And I'll walk you through a real-world example. Hey, I'm Noel Lorenzana. I'm a CPA and I really love side hustles. Real quick, if you have a side hustle, you may or may not receive a 1099 at the end of the year. But regardless, the income you earn from your side hustle is taxable, and you need to report it on your tax return, typically on Schedule C of your personal tax return. Also keep in mind that most accountants are very good, but during tax season, they're very busy and won't often spend too much time in helping you to reduce your taxable income. That's why it's really important to understand what you can deduct against your side hustle, which essentially reduces your taxable income. Diving into our real-world example, here's what we've got. Let's say you've got a side hustle that's bringing in an extra $1,000 per month. That's $12,000 for the year. We'll whittle this down using legal tax strategies. Now, let's say you drive for your side hustle business and you drive around 300 miles each month at 67 cents per mile. That's $200 per month approximately, or $2,400 for the year. Let's also say you have a home office that qualifies for the home office deduction. Using the simplified method, that can be around $1,500 for the year. For your side hustle, you can also write off business meals as long as it relates to your side hustle and is for business purposes. For example, these are business meals with clients, partners, or for sales purposes. Let's say you have a business meal once a month at $100 each. That's another $1,200 for the year. Naturally, you probably have a cell phone that you need to use for your side hustle, but it's combined with your personal phone plan. So what you want to do is figure out your business use percentage, and then you can deduct that. So let's say your monthly phone bill is $150 per month times 12 months. That's $1,800. Half of that for the business use is $900. So let's put that down. Next up, office supplies. Let's say that you need to buy things for your side hustle like paper, pencils, organizational stuff, tech supplies. That's easily another $100 per month, or $1,200 for the year. Maybe you need a business computer or tablet device, maybe software and apps. That could be another $1,000 in computer and technology expenses for the year. Maybe you needed to hire an independent contractor to help you with some of your side hustle work. That could be another $1,000 for the year. Maybe you hire a tax professional for your bookkeeping and tax needs. There's another $1,000. Maybe you had to rent some equipment or storage space for your side hustle. That could be another $1,000 right there. And finally, maybe you had some travel expenses, bank charges, license fees, insurance, and that all totals whatever, $800 for the year. Let's do the math. That's exactly $12,000 in legitimate business expenses that effectively wipes out your side hustle income. Was this great or what? So just to recap, in this example, we had revenues of $12,000. And then we had total expenses of $12,000. $12,000 of revenues minus $12,000 of total expenses brings us down to a total net income of $0 for your side hustle. I'm all about not paying any more in taxes than you legally owe. You might even have more business expenses and have a net loss for your side hustle, which further reduces your taxes. By the way, I have a full course on how to file taxes for your side hustle. This is for freelancers, online sellers, and gig economy workers, and covers all of this and many other questions you might have regarding paying and filing taxes for your side hustle. It's really great. Here are some screenshots. Just keep in mind that your side hustle business expenses need to meet the IRS guidelines of ordinary and necessary. I hope that makes sense. Reach out in case you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.